Hey guys, we're going to do a little something special today, and I just wanted to show you we have a local produce market, and they have what they call day-old produce, and they're getting ready to close anyway, so it's a little bit crazy. But we bought this relatively fresh broccoli, still all crunchy, and it's unbelievable. Like 60 pounds for $5, and this is going to come into play with the meal I'm going to make tonight. And I want to record it because I haven't done it in a long time, but I think it'll be interesting. So here's the veggies that we're going to use in this meal. We're going to use the broccoli stems cut, you know, get all the chewy parts off, like the strings and the celery removed, slice them up. Mushrooms, peppers, onion. I'm gonna make a few baked potatoes. My wife likes sweet potatoes. We have a bunch of potatoes from our garden this year, including sweet potatoes, so those will be on the side. But we're gonna pre-cook this on the top of the stove before we mix them with the steaks, and I'll show you why. Actually, I'll tell you why. The steaks aren't going to take that long to cook the way that I'm going to cook this. So the vegetables need to be done first, so they're not uncooked and crunchy, too crunchy, so to speak. But yeah, we'll be back in a second for you. Getting the coal bed going, maple, oak, and it needs a little bit more time, but we're going to get there very soon. So this has a bit more to go. You definitely don't want to cook this over an open fire. You want to cook it over coals. And the meat of my choice today is top sirloin. And I'm going to mix it with the vegetables that I've shown you prior to this point in the video. There's going to be some tomatoes added to it and some butter. I cook the vegetables in olive oil, a little bit of garlic, black pepper, and just a pinch of sea salt. But this is going to be, like I said, I haven't done this in a long time. I'm really excited about this because, as my memory serves me, this was really, really good. Alright guys, so here is, I don't want to say the finishing touch, but very close to it. So I've got this extra wide tin foil. We're going to take our pre-cooked veggies and we're going to put them down first. Now this was cooked in olive oil, butter, garlic, pepper, and just a touch of sea salt. So we're going to put, let's see, what's the biggest one? We're going to put my wife's steak on here first. We're going to lay it on top just like that. I'm going to look in the camera to make sure you can see what I'm, okay, cool. She's an A1 steak sauce fan. So we're going to put some A1 on the top of hers. And she's kind of weird. She likes sweet potatoes. I'm a regular potato kind of guy. But anyway, those have already been sliced down the middle, and because of my time constraints, normally I would wrap them in tin foil and put them right on the coals, but I don't have time to do that, so I kind of cook them in the oven. So we're going to seal this up really well. And I'm telling you true, this is going to be absolutely incredible. So now for mine, we're basically going to do the same thing. 37 degrees out right now. And I don't mind being outside at all when it's cold. especially when I'm making food. So we're going to put the rest of the veggies on mine, which apparently is more than she's going to get. I'm going to put my steak on top. Now, I've got this thing for teriyaki. So I'm going to drizzle some teriyaki on mine. And like I said, this isn't going to take long. We both like our steak medium rare. Mine, hers, they truly are about the same size, weight-wise anyway. But we're going to throw them on the fire. I don't want to say fire, the coals. And we'll probably just leave them 5 minutes on one side, flip them 5 on the other, and we should be good to go. So we'll be back real soon. I just put those on 3 seconds ago, and it's getting dark already. It sucks. Winter time. It's not even 5 o'clock, and it's getting really dark. But I need to go get a pair of tongs so I can flip these in roughly 5 minutes. And yeah, we'll be right back. So it's been about 6 minutes. May have screwed up, but this fire is hotter than I really wanted it to be. Zero flame is what I'm looking for. So we're going to flip these, give them another 5 minutes, and we should be good to go. So this is the optimum cooking style. Just coals, zero flame. It's been about 6 minutes since I flipped them, and we're going to plate this up, and we'll see how it turned out. Like I said, I haven't done this in a long time, but I remember it's phenomenal. And the cool thing about this is you can use basic smoking woods, apple, cherry, mesquite, oak, maple, and you get just a little bit of that flavor infused into the meat and the vegetables and pretty much anything that you have in your tin foil. So we're about done. We're going to plate this up and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's all done. This is the deal. My garden grown potatoes. And I really have this liking for this Kraft mayo buffalo style dressing. A little bit of butter and some shredded Parmesan cheese. The steak, yeah, that's perfect. All of the veggies, this is going to be phenomenal. So yeah guys, this is just an outstanding dinner. Like I said, I haven't done this in a long time, and I really hope that I could remember how to do it, and apparently I did. So this is going to be awesome. Today is Saturday, November 11th. My God, a month and a couple of days to Christmas. Anyway, y'all enjoy your night, and we'll talk soon. Take care.